Hi Paw Squad, I'm Kelsey and I'm here with my good friend Gray. Hello. Today, what are we making today, Gray?
Cat blankets.
Yeah, cat blankets, dog blankets, a blanket for yourself. But definitely looking forward to making some of these warm and fuzzy things for our friends, right? Well, before we get going, you definitely may want to consider, it's helpful to have an adult here to help you get it started. We will need to get a large piece of fabric from wherever you can get arts and crafts supplies. Today we have a really cool tie-dye blanket. We've already kind of got it going, but you want to fold your large blanket in half. So that way, this folded side, we're going to end up cutting and making two pieces to start. And Gray's going to help me once we get the two pieces cut in half when we start to tie. Oh my gosh, go long arms. So now we have two separate pieces, but we'll want to leave them sitting on top of each other, kind of like a sandwich. And we are gonna then cut along the outer edges, because then we'll make little strips to be able to tie. One. Before we get going on the rest of our blanket, we're gonna cut one long strip and put it to the side for a surprise later on. You can sometimes use a blanket, or sorry, my words. You can use a ruler to measure out the width that is about 1 inch, or kind of see where the scissors take you. So quickly, I will cut this one long strip, and then Gray, I'm definitely going to need your assistance. Sometimes accidents happen, that's okay. I just cut a silly piece because it was a different size underneath, but I'll keep cutting that one long strip on top and maybe do the second one in a different cutting. Now when you're cutting afterwards, we want to take a look too. Do you see any edges that have little small pieces sticking out, Gray? Yes. Or does it seem okay? Do we cut kind of straight? Does that look like it's sticking up at all?
Yeah.
Try to make them all the same length. Come a little further. Great job. Keep watching your fingers. Yeah. Perfect. Watch your fingers. Yeah, excellent. Cut really straight lines. Those are impressive. Take your time, watch your fingers. Good job. Do you think we can get one more in there maybe? Yeah, great job.
Can you do one?
Yeah, of course. Let's start on this side. Ooh, my scissors don't cut as good as yours.
Oh, no, you can have mine.
Thank you. Where's our word better? Cutting these too long. Do you have a favorite color, Gray?
Green.
Green?
Maybe just
Like a light green or a dark green?
two big cuts.
Oh yeah, I could definitely follow your lead. 1, 2. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for your guidance.
2 big cuts.
1, 2. 1,
And
2.
there is a major long differences.
Yeah. Oh, like there. I got the little. I gotta snip that off a little bit. Anyways. 1, 2. Oops, I got another piece I gotta cut. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ooh, might shift that over. 1, 2. Okay. Ooh, gotta check them. Cut those off. Because we don't want those to get in the kitty's mouths, right? Do you see any more? That looks. Do you think I should cut that off a little bit? Watch your fingers. Hold on, one more, and then I'll definitely pass you back. Thanks for your patience. All right. Start on there. Just maybe one. Yeah, perfect. That works too. Watch your fingers. Great job, Gray. You're an excellent maker.
Right.
Perfect. Take your time. Make sure your fingers are out of the way. Great job. Oh yeah. Do you want to try to make another? Yeah. You've got just about an inch. You got a good eye for measuring. Right there. You're doing awesome, bud. Thanks for all your help. You make doing these videos a lot of fun.
Yeah. Maybe a little bit of.
Watch your finger. Perfect. And then I'll do this one last side and then we'll get to time. If you want to help, you can. If not, that's okay. Perfect. Here, I can switch the blankets so it's easier for you to cut in front of you.
So you can do like.
Oh, should I follow your lead?
Yeah, you can.
Should I do this side?
Yeah, you can do it like that side.
Perfect. Thanks for getting me started. Am I doing okay?
Yeah.
Could I be doing something better?
Yeah.
What could I be doing better? You want to show me? Watch your fingers. Take your time. One time I accidentally cut my finger. It wasn't super fun. You're a lot sharper than you look. Great job. Good deep breath too. Sometimes I forget to breathe when I'm doing the things. I'm like, oh no, I was holding my breath like I was underwater. Good job, bud. You're an excellent maker. Almost there. Now, are you gonna want to help me tie? Or should I try to tie? Okay, come to about like right here, maybe 1.5. Good job. Perfect. Yeah, bud. That was amazing. That was so swift.
Start tying.
Okay, yeah. I wonder how fast I can tie, but I might try to take my time a little bit to get started. Be careful with your scissors. They're super sharp.
Yeah.
Whenever you're walking with him, I usually hold him like this, just in case, but
And
safety first, unless we're wearing like safety goggles.
yeah. And I'll like talk to my mom and then give me.
Yeah. Do you want to take a break while I start tying, or do you want to help me and make sure I'm doing it right?
I'll come back.
Okay. Sounds. Now that we've finished cutting our strips around the edge of our blanket, the two pieces, we are going to start tying them together so we can create our blanket and it stays together like this. Almost twirl it like a pizza, right? Or is it a hat? Oh, I know, it's a superhero cape.
Wait. Super ponytail.
Yeah! Oh, that's brilliant! I love
Now
it.
we just need a little piece of tape. I'll go and find tape.
All right, Gray. Gray's on a mission that only the best of the superheroes can tend to. While I wait for him to return to check out my work, I'm gonna start tying. Sometimes I have a tricky time tying, and you know, it just takes some practice. I take the two pieces from our two different cut fabric, and then I'm gonna tie them together. If you started to learn how to tie your shoes, it's really close to that. But you know, if you're getting a little, sometimes my fingers get in the way, so maybe having an adult help you get it started and keep it going is a good idea, but totally up to you.
One, two, three.
So we have just finished our blankets slash
Carpets.
Gray has dubbed our newest creation a cozy carpet. Whatever you want to call it, I hope you had fun. Sometimes it does take a long time to tie all the ties, but in the end, whatever animal is gonna end up sleeping on this, staying nice and cozy, warm, is gonna be so grateful you gave them such an awesome gift, right? Thanks for helping me so much. You've been an excellent assistant, Gray.
Yeah.
Woo! Hi friends, now that we've finished making our cozy carpets and really soft blankets for our furry friends, we're gonna need to pull out those strings you saved for a surprise earlier when we got started, right? Yeah. So those long strips that we cut out, we are gonna make twirly toys. Can you demonstrate for us, Gray? They're so much fun for humans and animals. All right, so you're just gonna need 2 long dowel rods that you can get at your arts and crafts supply store, or if you find a long stick out on a nature walk, you can definitely use that too. But yeah, we'll take 1 long strip and we're gonna attach it to whichever side you would like to be the top of the twirly toy. I'm gonna make a little quick tie in there, but then to secure it, you can use duct tape, you can use regular tape. What else do you think we could use to keep the ribbon on there? Any ideas?
Yeah, that's time, boy.
Alright.
Alright, there.
Many
Yeah, that'll be
options.
mine now. But
Just a moment, it will be all yours, bud.
this will be actually mine.
They are a lot of fun. Sometimes I
Mine-
have to remind myself I need to share
Yeah, I
with
don't
my
think
kitties.
Yeah, I don't keep
Ooh.
this very much. Yep.
So sometimes it can be a little tricky to wrap the piece of tape around the top of it, but you wanna, my cats love playing with these toys, and I need to be extra sure that they are on there very secure, especially when they go dragging it off. They take the string and then they'll just drag it away from me. Anyways, but yeah, there you have it. You have a little twirl stick. Now, always remember to be careful when you're twirling near someone's head. You don't want to accidentally hit your eye like I've done a few times. But yeah, there you go, Greg. You got 2 twirlers now.